Ang lapit. Naya kami. So, ang mga girls, may field trip today. Plus, may activity na. Ayan. Bukod sa pagkain. So, we're going to 12. Not 13. Not 9. But 12 apostles. And, ano yung Great Ocean Road? Great Ocean Road.
Turn into this roundabout, you're now officially on the Great Ocean Road. So welcome to the Great Ocean Road, people.
Hi! So we're on our first guys. Morning tea. Morning tea daw. Ang ganda ng view. Anglesey.
Anglesey pala yun.
Anglesey. Ano ka Anglesey? Anglesey ba? With our morning tea. So, ito na po yung magiging bahay namin. Yes, so we're now here at the Great Ocean Road. Yeah, so yay, this is the Great Ocean. That was the road and this is the Great Ocean. Apollo Bay Seafood Cafe. Dito kami sa courtyard nila. Sabi ni Mr. Bert? Yan, that Apollo Bay is known for their seafood. So, we ordered seafood. Ang ganda naman dito, chill place. So far kami pa lang yung tao dito sa courtyard. Nandun sila lahat sa loob. So, she ordered chai latte. Kasi we're on a hunt for the best chai latte. So, ang layo niya, girl.
Ready for you?
Yay! Thank you.
Go.
Wow. Ang bango. This is the linguine. Prawn linguine. Thanks.
Enjoy.
Good.
Thank you. Ooh.
Oh.
Kamusta na, girl? Medyo na-achieve naman namin, pero grabe, mamadali kami. Ilang minutes lang? 30 minutes?
30
Halos,
minutes.
yeah, 30 to 40
Grabe.
minutes. So, 5 minutes na lang. Lalaklakin niya na po ang kanyang chai.
One shot nung chai.
One shot. Bottoms up. Yun lang ang mahirap. Yeah, yun lang yung mahirap pag nasa tour. Pero okay lang naman. Basta nakalabas kami ng CBD, di ba? Yes.
If you're just relaxing down here, feel free to just stay in this area. But if you're coming on the walk, then just wait here. You'll wait until we've got enough people.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Diyos ko, si ate girl, lakas dito. So, kaya mga anyang mga city girls, dito na kami sa mga rainforest. We're going to the shipwreck site, and we're gonna do another effort to reach there.
But Bert said it's worth it.
Yeah.
It's gonna be worth it.
Nobody came here but us, so good luck. Strong girls, strong independent women. We're finally here at the wreck. Now we're gonna go to the horseback. No. Sabi niya horseback daw. It's actually racerback. Racerback. So we're gonna go there. We still have a few more minutes. Yeah. Miss namin, pero pagod na kami. Yung bush nila sosyal. Wow. Daming people. Hindi mo nga daw makikita lang. Finally here at the 12 Apostles. Pakibilang na lang po. Nabilang ko siya eh. I'm not sure kung sila talaga yung 12 Apostles. Kayo na po mag-decide.
Minsan kulang, minsan sobra.
Minsan 11, minsan 12.
Minsan 13.
Maganda naman siya, pero mas na-appreciate namin yung
Yung gelato sana.
Yung shipwreck, tsaka yung gelato sana. There are 2 more apostles here.